engineering. It's 10:41 on Tuesday, September 17th. It's day one of the vlog part 2. I'm a sophomore now. Very exciting. We're walking to class. Classes are much later this year, just a W.
You're on point, fight again. You're on point.
We live in an apartment now. Inspire on 22nd, the one right behind me. Me and Pedro and 2 other guys. You want to know why UT is the best school in the country? Because they give out free donuts on my walk to class. Successful day in MATLAB. That's like an engineering coding language for mathematical functions. These guys are out of it. They don't have the Mamba mentality that we do. Today's delicious lunch. We're working with some grilled chicken, some looks like a quinoa and I don't know, kale, something green and healthy salad. I'm a houseboy at the sorority AFI, so that means I do dishes like twice a week or so, and then I get to come here and eat all the delicious food that they serve the girls the rest of the week. Alright squad, it's quiz time. Here's Lily. I don't know if you remember her from last year. Sanji, this guy's cooked. He hasn't studied at all. Yeah. I hope we're ready.
We're ready!
Finished our vector calculus quiz. We feel great. Well, about as great as you can after taking a vector calculus quiz.
Welcome.
Doing some thermodynamics right now. Good times with the fellows. We don't really know what's going on. We're gonna figure it out. It's been over 2 hours. We did one singular problem. Actually, I did like 1.5 problems. If anybody ever tells you to do engineering, just tell them no. Tell them it's not worth it. Just finished my shift, heading home with lots of delicious leftovers. Enjoying this beautiful sunset over the West Campus skyline. About to get back to work on solids this time. Oh, we're in the study lounge of my apartment, hanging out. Look who came back to visit.
What's up, everybody? I'm back for now.
He came to say hi so we could get the old dorm group back together. It is 1:06 in the morning. The grind sleeps for no man. We just finished solids. We're gonna go up to the room and go to bed. Enjoying some delicious AFI leftovers before dinner, featuring Landry. He's the 4th roommate, the last one. Good morning, world. It's Wednesday the 18th. It's about 9:30. Just woke up, getting ready to make some breakfast. Good day in calculus. Now on to Thermo. Just finished class. Now it's time for me and Sanjeev to claim our big ticket for the game this weekend. We got our ticket. Now we're making our way to the AFI house where today is Mexi lunch. Delicious queso, fajitas, all the best things in the world. Mexi lunch, delicious as always. Here's Kiara. I have to go to the back and start my dishes pretty soon. Alright squad, just finished slaving away, but that's my last shift of the week, so the rest of the week I just get to go enjoy the delicious food.
It's Wednesday. Now we're about to take our thermo quiz. What are we gonna get, Johnny? Predictions?
We're gonna get 10 out of 10! 100! Alright squad, we're getting dialed for the quiz. Snishka's back. Anyways, verdict was we were not dialed. We don't know what happened there. We all four of us got different answers, so that's cool. We'll see what happens. In a week from now, we'll see our grades, and I'll let you know. Just ate dinner, walking back home. Very excited to sit on the couch and be able to relax for a little bit. It's been a heck of a long day today. You thought I was gonna relax for the rest of the day. Faked you out. We're studying. We have a quiz at 8. That's awesome. Welcome to college. The school day never ends. Just finished my quiz. Feeling great. Let's see what Pedro's up to. Hey, bro. Oh, wait. You're watching the vlog from last year? Wow. Great choice in movie. It is 12:12. Just wrapped up my other coding assignment. Heading back to the room to eat a little, literally a midnight snack and get showered and go to bed because I'm tired. But I'm done with my homework, I believe, for the whole week. And so I should be able to take it a lot easier tomorrow and Friday. This guy's just like me for real. Good morning, y'all. It's Thursday. We made it. We're ready. It looks beautiful outside, but it's actually like insanely hot. This might be the hottest day I've ever experienced. I feel like I'm like melting into the pavement right now. Great day to be a Longhorn. Every time I see a truck like this on Speedway, I get the unholy urge to buy a skateboard and just grab onto the back of the truck and ride behind it like that scene in Back to the Future. We're at Medici Coffee, delicious place. Continuing to do calculus. Grind never stops. All done with being studious for the day. I'm gonna go home, relax a little bit with the roommates. It's right here. Healthiest snack in the apartment. It's not a snack, it's my dinner. I'm gonna go out with some friends tonight and get some delicious Chinese food with them because it's my friend's birthday. Good times. I challenge you to find a more beautiful automobile than this. We're here at the restaurant. Look at all this thing. We got ice cream with the fellas. It's a good day. Shut up, Johnny.
Hello guys, this is Waterloo apartment. The long hallway. And there's Gabby. And then there's Evelyn. And then there's Sanjeev. And then Johnny. And then Pedro. And then me.
Hey guys, walking back home. It's dark. Hey guys, we made it to solids. It's finally the end of classes on Friday, done for the week. Just made some leftovers. I mean, look at this. This is delicious. You can't get much better than this. Pedro and I are hanging out here in the apartment, just getting ready to enjoy a not having to do classes. Time for dinner part 2. We got a pizza. It's 9 o'clock on a Friday in West Campus. going out for the night. We'll see y'all tomorrow.
Coy. Jonathan.
Morning.
Football. It's like 2 o'clock and this guy just woke up.
Good morning.
I've been awake since like 8:30, like a normal person.
That's just getting ready to go to the Texas Wranglers tailgate before the game this weekend. Look who joined us. Good. This is my brother, Josh, all the way from San Antonio to watch UT beat the heck out of ULM. Pedro's here too.
Austin's been good so far. Yeah.
Another Texas win, 51-3 against Louisiana Monroe. Chefing it up, college style. Bread, sausage, cheese. Gonna throw some barbecue sauce on this. What more does a man need on a Saturday night? Good morning, y'all. It is just before 10 on Sunday, September 22nd. I am all dressed up because I am heading to church. We're back. Guess what we're doing? Watching more football.
What's up, squad? Sanjeev here. Johnny's getting milk right now, but just came over to do some Thermo. We're watching some football. Great Sunday afternoon.
Hey squad, Sanjeev's here. We're doing some Thermo homework so we can get ahead and not be so stressed this week. Enjoying some sausage mixed in with mac and cheese. Classic college meal. Football's still on. For when we get 2 men at Thermo, we can just, drown our sorrows away in football. As a reward for all of our hard work, being studious, we're going to Chick-fil-A. Pedro gave us a gift card that he wanted us to use to buy him some Chick-fil-A. I'm just gonna use it on myself. What's he gonna do about it? Hey guys, what day is it? It's Sunday. When did we realize that? When we got to Chick-fil-A. Of course, it closed on Sunday. So we are at P. Terry's because we already walked all the way over here, so why not get something tasty to eat? Life's simple pleasures. This is what it's all about. Well, my night was going great until the Chiefs won, and now I'm probably just gonna go cry myself to sleep. Yeah, see you guys in the morning. It's Monday. Back to calculus. Hey squad, finished calculus.
No, stop.
Good day in Thermo. Now it's lunchtime. Hey squad, we're back. Showered up, ready to go to Solids. Good times. We're in the evening, doing Thermo. Least majestic UT study spot right here. Just dinner time. Last meal of the vlog. Unless, of course, you count the midnight snack that I'm almost certainly gonna eat tonight. Got dinner from the sorority house. Heading to my last class of the day. Just finished the last class of the vlog. Look at this aesthetic engineering buildings at night. Heading back to the apartment. Hey guys, back at the apartment. Pedro and I made a dropout pact. One of us drops out, the other one's following, and we're both pretty close to dropping out, so that's what's up. Other than that, just gonna take it easy for the rest of the night. See y'all. Got my leftover sausage mac and cheese, my UT SEC cup. Life is good. You can't ask for much more. Well boys, that's a wrap on this vlog. It's been real. We will see y'all next semester.